Grab your hook, grab your yarn, and let's get started on your foundation half double crochet. We're going to start by making a slip knot. If you are not familiar with this, I will drop a link to a tutorial. Pop your hook through the loop, tighten it up, get your tension ready, and chain 2. Then we're going to yarn over as if we're going to make a half double crochet and place our hook through that second chain from the hook, so that first chain that we made. We're then going to yarn over and pull up a loop so that there are now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop only. There are still 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That is our first foundation half double crochet. Now, for subsequent half double crochets, you need to pay attention to a few things. Like when you normally would be crocheting, you have a V here on the top where your stitch is, but equally with the foundation stitches, you have a V on the bottom here too. So if I just pop my hook through it, you can see it right there. It's really important to pay attention to where that V is. So we're going to yarn over, place our hook through that V at the bottom. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to keep repeating this. So yarn over, go through that last V on the bottom that we just made. So you've now got 2 because you've already got 2 foundation half double crochets. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And you are going to keep repeating this process until your foundation half double crochet row, I suppose, is as long as you want it to be. This is a much better alternative to starting with a chain because you have less issues with it twisting. It's much easier to count your stitches, and it's perfect for starting off projects such as our Twisted Trio ear warmer, which I will link to below. Enjoy!